Hey guys, it's Clay at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge. That's where we give you $100 cash money if we're unable to get your credit approved. What we're looking at here is a 2009 model GMC Yukon XL Denali. The XL is a little bit longer, like a Suburban would be. It's got a 6.2 liter V8, two-wheel drive, brand new headlights on the front. Got the chrome plated grille, nice bright white color. Fog lights and tow hooks on the front as well. 3 rows of seating, so you can fit the whole family in there. Got some chrome trim on the side of the body and the door handles. And you got some really nice looking chrome plated alloy wheels. See, those are 20 inches. You got the fancy automatic fold out step rails, so when you open a door, step rails fold out, shut the door, step rails will fold back in. Brand new tail lights on it as well. Got a towing package, parking sensors, and a backup camera. It's got remote start on it. That'd be nice this winter when it's cold. You can get it warmed up before you have to get in it. And keyless entry as well. Leather interior. Captain's chairs in the second row. Then you've got a bench back there in the third. Got heated seats for the second row. Got your own radio hookup. DVD player. You got power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors. If you look over here, you've got both heated and cooled seats in the front 2 seats. You got power fold side mirrors. I don't know if you can see it, but it'll fold in and fold out with that button right there. Power adjustable driver's seat. Sunroof up there. It's got 205,000 miles on the dash. Cruise control on the steering wheel. You've also got a heated steering wheel. Controls for the radio right there. Got built-in navigation, a nice, touch screen media center here. There's that backup camera. Dual climate control in the front. Power adjustable pedals. Nice wood grain. If you're interested in this one, give me a call. I'd be happy to get you some more information about it. You can reach me at 870-639-9200.